Today we're gonna make this beautiful Greek 7-layer dip. To get started on making our Greek 7-layer dip, we have our ingredients right here. We're gonna start with homemade hummus, homemade tzatziki. We have chopped red onion, cucumber, tomato, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and of course, feta. And we're gonna get started with the hummus on our bottom layer. So I have already made a video for homemade hummus and homemade tzatziki. The links are in the description, so you can click to see how to make these. So for our hummus, we're gonna put that on the bottom. I'm using a glass platter for this because, of course, I love for you to be able to see all the different layers, and I always love to make things ahead of time when I have people over, so this is a great thing. You can make this ahead of time, put it in the fridge, and it's ready to serve. So we're gonna put our hummus on the bottom, and next we're gonna add our homemade tzatziki. I'm gonna put this. We have a nice layer of tzatziki. Next, I'm gonna add red onion. So I have about half a cup of red onion here. Of course, you're going to make these quantities, different depending on what bowl you're using. But I have a 9-inch Pyrex bowl here. So I'm just gonna do a thin layer of onion. Next, we're gonna do our cucumber. So I have 1 English cucumber that I have diced up. Next are tomatoes. So I have a pint of cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes that I have sliced. Next, we're gonna add our crumbled feta. So I have about 8 ounces of crumbled feta. And you could always add to these ingredients. You don't have to just do, if you like pepperoncinis, you could sprinkle those on top, or maybe some roasted red pepper. But we're gonna put this all over here. On the top, I'm gonna do 8 ounces of sliced pitted Kalamata olives. We're gonna sprinkle these right on top. This looks delicious. And again, like I said, this is great for having people over. You can make this ahead of time. Serve this with pita chips or grilled pita even. And look at that. So easy, and this is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkiklekis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now, taste test.